You know how most smart home devices today are completely touchless, controlled by apps or voice, designed to be invisible, bland, and emotionally flat? What I've created is the Gestalt, a tactile, handheld smart home controller that uses physical dials, buttons, and switches to manage your home systems, like music, lighting, and climate. It's beautifully crafted, human-centric, and genuinely satisfying to touch. This is a product with a soul. In developing the Gestalt, I focused on three priorities: the core tenets of good design, strong visual inspiration from brands like Lo-Free, Teenage Engineering, and Braun, and a strong emphasis on tactile interaction. I started with rough sketches to explore different forms and functions, then refined those sketches to hone in on specific materials, colors, and mechanical details. From there, I moved on to sketch models, simple foam prototypes that helped me quickly iterate on size, form, and layout. Once I had a solid direction, I created refined models to test ergonomics and functionality more accurately. Finally, I transitioned to CAD, where each iteration refined the materials, UI, and overall design until the Gestalt truly came to life, moving from simple shapes all the way to complex textures and animations. As you can see, the final design is a compact, tactile device that naturally evolved from my previous iterations till we reached the Gestalt proper. It integrates seamlessly with existing smart home systems by using Home Assistant, a pre-existing software on the market today that links multiple apps, devices, systems into one device, meaning a user can link the functions of their Google Home, for example, or their bespoke lighting system straight into the Gestalt. It allows users to control everything from AC to lighting with simple, intuitive movements. Rotating the dial changes functions with a satisfying click, refreshing the display screen and programmable LED buttons on the right. If there are more options than there are buttons available, a simple click of the dial reveals additional settings on the screen. The Gestalt is built from timeless materials like brushed stainless steel and textured ABS plastic in a simple, reliable, and nostalgic form. These high-quality materials give it a premium finish that feels reliable and comfortable in hand, similar to that of a camera, developing a patina with age, adding character and history to the object. The design is both sturdy and elegant, with a form factor that can be used comfortably in either portrait or landscape orientation, adapting naturally to the user's needs. In summary, the Gestalt is important because it brings physicality back into our interactions with technology. It's effective not just because it works well, but because it feels good to use. Every dial, button, and texture is deliberate, transforming a passive smart home device into an active personal object that invites engagement, builds habits, and truly earns its place in the home.